Okay guys, this is Jason with FPV Model. Today we want to talk about the sensor. Sensor is very important because if it's in your hand, your UN-1's not going to work. If it's on the table, you can calibrate it that way, but it's still not going to allow your UN-1 to work. We want to talk about the placement of the sensor. You absolutely must have it on your UN-1 in order for it to tell the camera which way is facing down. Now if it's placed on the bottom of the camera tray, that's a good spot for it. We really like that position, and that's where we choose to mount ours. Basically, your sensor is just going to tell the controller which way the camera is facing. And when it's on the bottom of the camera tray, it essentially just says this way is down. So it allows you to fly around, move your multi-rotor in the direction that you want, and it will constantly keep communication with the controller and say, keep the bottom of the camera facing towards the ground. Now, let's talk about the wire. The wire coming from the sensor, we prefer to run it through the bearing, along the side of the frame, back in, and up around through the back, and then you can connect it to your controller. Now please, let me remind you once again, it is very important to put the sensor on the UN-1, and it needs to be connected to the camera tray. Thank you for watching.